I have a Samsung Galaxy A71 here. I'm going to show you how to make the default location for your camera photos and videos directly to your SD card. I'll also just show you how to tell which photos and videos are on your SD card versus your internal memory on the actual phone. Okay, so first thing is we need to open up your camera. Open up the camera here, and then on the top right hand side we see that little gear settings icon. Let's tap on that. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to scroll down until we see storage location right here. Tap on that. Yours would say internal storage here. Then go ahead and move it down to SD card. If yours doesn't say SD card down here, then you need to reinsert your SD card, or maybe you don't have one, or maybe it's corrupted. Okay. Anyways, so mine's on SD card now. Okay, you can see it right here. Storage location, SD card. Now, every time I take a photo or a video, it's going to save directly to my SD card. Now I'll show you how to check that as well. So here's a couple of pictures. Now, if you go into your gallery and go to your gallery, then you would want to click on albums here. And now you see I took some photos and videos on my without the SD card in here, and it shows up under camera. Okay. Now the SD card, the two photos and video I just took, it's on this other camera folder, okay? And now you can tell it's SD card because it has a little SD card icon right there. You can see it right there on that folder, okay, opposed to that one. So pretty simple.